I'm Ruthie Dahle and welcome to my channel and welcome to Makeup Wednesdays. This week I'm creating this makeup look which is blue and gold, and if you want to know how I achieved this makeup look, then keep on watching. Let's just get right into the makeup look, and today we're going to be using, I want to say like 2.5 colors, and I know that sounds weird, like half a color. We're basically using 2 colors, and then I will see if I want to add the second one, and it's only going to be as a blended effect, and so I think of it as half a color even though that's technically 3, but let's roll with 2 colors for now. So the first color that I want to go in with is the darkest color there is, and I'm going to be using Makeup Revolution's Constellation, and I'm using the color Night Sky, and it looks like this. For this first part, just to draw up a guideline, I want to be using a flat brush. And for this color, you want to put it in the crease and then kind of angle it out, kind of wing it out a bit. So it's a lot like last week's winged crease look, but it's a little bit different at the same time. Now I want to go in with a round brush. Now I'm going to be using a blender brush, and I'm just going to be dipping that into Neptune, which is this color right here. And I'm using the blender brush from Essence that looks like this. And when I say dip, I mean gently. Then what you want to do is take a flat brush and go in with this color, which is Solar, right here. And you just use a flat brush like this one. And this one you want on your lid. I just dipped my finger in the color and dabbed that on to intensify the color, because I want the color to be intense. I want the color difference to be intense. Now what I want to go ahead and do is put on eyeliner. So I'm going to be putting on the H&M's Dipliner ink that looks like this. Then what I want to do is curl my lashes. And then I will put on mascara on my upper lashes only, and I will be using the Maybelline's Colossal that looks like this. To finish off this eyeshadow look, we want to line our waterline as well, the upper waterline. So I'm just using an eyeliner pencil that looks like this. Then the last thing I will do is put on setting spray, and I'm using Makeup Revolution's Sport Fix that looks like this. So this is the finished look. This is what it looks like. If you liked the video, please leave a like and a comment down below. And if you want more content like this, then hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, and you will be notified when I upload a video. I upload my makeup Wednesdays every Wednesday at 8 o'clock Norwegian time, which makes it about 3 o'clock New York time. And with that, I want to say thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye!